In this lecture, we will see 3D practice exercise 10. You can see here, this is length in elevation view, this one. And here it is width 80 mm. And here height 50 mm. You can see here. Go to here, click here new. Select here 3D practice template, then click here open. Then select here box and click this location. Go to the length, make it length, it is 50. Just go to here 50, make it 50, then press enter. Then width is, you can see here 80 mm, make it 80, then press enter. Height is 50, you can see here 50, make it 50, then press enter. Next we need to make it this area, we need to cut and remove. For that, go to here, select here right or left, anyone you can choose. We need to place it this arc, this center of this line, radius 20. Just go to here, select here circle, click here, make it 20, then press enter. Go to the press tool, click here, place it like this, press escape key, select this one, delete it. Next we need to make it this one. You can see here horizontal 20, vertical 10. Just go to here, go to the rectangle, click here, make it dimension horizontal 20, vertical it is 10, then press enter, click any location. Then go to the move command, select this one, press enter, click this midpoint, click here, then go to the press tool, click here and click here, then press escape key, select this one, delete it. Next we can cut and remove this location, or we can make it this vertical one. After that also we can make it this vertical, this one dimension, you can see here it is 30, here it is 10 mm. Go to here, go to the top, select here top, then go to the rectangle, click here, make it dimension 30, then press enter, 10, then press enter, click any location, select this one, go to the move command, click here and click here, select this one, go to the copy, click this midpoint and place it here. We need to make it this one. You can see here, this is the height, you can see here 35 mm. Go to here, press full, click here, make it minus 35, then press enter. Similar way, click here, make it like this, minus 35, then press enter. Select this one, delete it. Next we need to make it this one. We need to make it for 35 and this is 10. Go to here and select here left or right, select here line tool, click here and click here. Similar way you can make it here also like this. Go to the line tool, click here and click here, then go to the press tool, click here, make it like this. Similar way make it here also. Then go to this side, go to the line tool, click here and click here, press escape key, just go to the press tool, click here, make it like this. Go to this side, create a line and go to the press tool, press escape key, select this line, delete it, then go to here, select this one, delete it. You can see here. Next we need to make it this circle, this one placed from top it is 20, from bottom it is 15. You can place it any location. We will place it in top, after that we can move. Radius 4, just go to here, select here southeast isometric, then select here front, You can see here X and Y like this. Make it like this. Then go to the circle. Click this midpoint exactly. Then place it like this. 4. Then press enter. It is placed perfectly. Next we need to move that circle down 20. Select this one. Go to the move command. Click any location. Make it like this. 20. Then press enter. Go to the press pull, click here and click here, press escape key, select this one and delete it. You can see here we created this product properly. Then we can arrange this all the thing inside layout. Already you know that all the thing. Just go to here layout. You can go to the layout, select here base, click here, press enter, click here and click here, then click here, press enter. You can see here, select this one, go to here edit, remove this one, make it shaded with a visible line, then press enter. You can see here. Next you can create dimensions. Already you know how to create the center line, center mark, and you can create dimensions, linear, radius, everything you know. Then you can make here this all the thing. You can add revision. After that you can save your drawing, you can print the drawing.